welcome back to the channel, man. Real quick, man, this is part 2 of that video I did yesterday about the bucks when shifting. Well, anyway, here are the parts that they got me. Manager told me to simply fix the car, repair the car, whatever the problem is. So the parts that I got was I'm gonna plan on putting a whole complete ignition coil in the cylinder 6 and a tune-up. Now I wanted to do a full-blown tune-up because y'all know how I feel about tune-ups. Tune-ups are designed, or supposed to be designed, to help restore peak performance back. Now let me go over something real quick. If you're chasing like a misfire, the natural thing, or what we're trained to do, is simply swap. Just say you suspect an ignition coil your problem. What we're supposed to do, or what we should do, is swap the suspected bad injector over to another cylinder. Well, in this case, ladies and gentlemen, the problem we had was in cylinder 6. Cylinder 6 happened to be this front bank right here. I mean, it's on bank 2, but it's in the front of the engine area. So you got 2, 4, and 6. So as you can see, swapping coil will require a little work, such as completely removing the intake and manifold. Now, had it hypothetically been this bank 1 back here, that would have been easier to swap. Okay, so I pretty much am assured, you know, I've done this a while and I can pretty much tell what's going on. I highly suspect that cylinder 6 ignition coil, like I say, this is on the low. I got the misfire and the buck on the low. Welcome back to the channel. I decided to stop right here. I was proceeding with the tune-up, and it's the same van with the bucks while shifting. Okay, whatever. Anyway, I got number 6 coil out. As you can see that little white mark right there? That is a sign of arcing. Okay, this plug, this coil, this insulator has been arcing inside of the spark plug tube, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the reason the transmission was bucking while shifting. Okay, actually is basically is a secondary ignition failure. The ignition coil, remember now, this is a 3/6, so it has no wire, so it's the coil on plug setup. All right, basically this plays the role as the wire. All right, and that little white mark right there, that indicates spike leak, spark leak. So like I say, it's arcing inside of the spark plug tube. But at the end of the day, the customer will have a properly running van, because before it leaves my possession, I will make sure it's running right. I will eventually put this new coil in, put new spark plugs in, and go drive it and verify. Keyword, verify that it was a successful repair. This is the new coil I'm gonna use. And that's the only way I'm gonna deliver it, after I drive it and verify. After every repair, I want to get away anyway for a good 10 minutes. What a perfect time to go, after I finish a repair, to go test drive a car. All right, so I'm gonna end this video. I didn't want it to be long, but I was gonna proceed with filming the tune-up. I have another video on 3.6 liter tune-up. I'll link it right here, right there, and the other one I did a while back on cleaning the throttle body. Okay, so I'll link both of those in the description. You can go back and watch those. But I'm wrapping this video up. I know I was upset venting on that last video, but I finally got a handle on it. I finally see what the problem was. I'm finally finna go verify that the problem is repaired. And I will see y'all on the next video, man. Thanks for watching, man. Hey, share this video, man. Share part 1 for me. A lot of people need to know this stuff, man. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all on the next video.